Welcome back to the show. I'm Gaard Swanson. You know, organizing your closet or cabinets can be hard work, but it can feel amazing when it finally comes all together. So you can imagine how people feel after they call our sponsor ShelfGenie. They take organization to an entirely new level. For over 2 decades, ShelfGenie continues to improve people's lives, one shelf at a time.
You know, a lot of customers, before we get there, are thinking, oh, this is just going to be like a measure and quote session. Like, this should only take like 15 minutes. Like, I'll just show you the cabinet, you just measure it, and you put one on each shelf, a pull-out shelf, and then we should be done. But it's really not what we do.
Alan Regala of ShelfGenie creates solutions for his clients. He's a magician when it comes to maximizing your space inside your cabinets. Just ask homeowner Colleen Shelby. She loves being in her recently remodeled kitchen, but she still is fired up about her dysfunctional shelves.
I'm sitting in the problem area, actually. This cabinet goes all the way back to this wall. And so there was all this great storage space, but it wasn't usable. There wasn't anything that I could get to. I'd have to take everything out. Like, I was all, oh, I didn't even know I had this fondue pot.
Once Alan measured all the cabinets and dead space, he immediately drew 3D pictures to show Colleen exactly what she was getting with ShelfGenie.
So this is that blind corner cabinet that
Yeah.
you have. And so the design we came up with, we have a shelf that pulls out this way.
Okay.
And then another one that slides over that way.
That would be perfect.
Does that look good?
Yes.
Once the plan was finalized, ShelfGenie built the new pullouts and installed them quickly. For Colleen, it's difficult now to say what's her favorite space in her kitchen.
You really do want to see it.
Yeah.
So in here, for example, you know, this goes so far back.
Right.
So one of the things that we were able to do is add an additional shelf, which really ultimately just gives us a ton more storage.
And that's so smooth.
I know. Well, and it's one of those soft close slide outs.
It's like the Cadillac of shelves, right?
Right.
Just pull out.
But this is also one of the coolest things. This
I
goes so
love
far
this.
back, so it was really hard to use all of the space. You just slide this out, and now I can see everything that I need.
Yeah, I mean, do you have enough garlic salt? I'm just curious. You have enough? You can find it now, right?
Well, we like garlic salt. And you can do it on both sides.
And it's so convenient. This was a monster issue right here in your kitchen.
Monster issue. This was
Yeah.
the biggest problem. He couldn't get back there, right?
Yeah.
Couldn't do fondue.
Couldn't do So if your fondue is back here, it'd be way back here, right?
Right.
I gotcha.
Right, exactly. So what we ended up doing was, these are the pullouts that we talked about. So you slide this forward, and then you reach back here.
Look how easy this
And you
is.
slide this all the way over, and you can get to anything. Now, as you can see, I still have to pull the lids out.
Right.
But that's easy. I don't have to dig all the way to the back. I don't have to slide everything around. I don't have to put everything down here on the kitchen floor. I can just get to everything that I need.
I love it. Now, is this your favorite?
No.
No?
Everything under here, and now it's
Colleen couldn't stop talking about how ShelfGenie changed her life. Her biggest surprise? Space under the sink.
This right here, I have found to be one of the coolest slide outs that ShelfGenie does.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
It does. It works around the disposal. It works around everything that goes under your sink, and it adds all of this additional storage space.
It's not frustrating. You know, it's easy. And that's the kind of thing that we bring to our clients' lives is, you know, we try to make their lives easier.
ShelfGenie is offering a free professional design consultation and free installation for the first 15 callers right now. Call the number there on your screen, 206-929-4954, to take advantage of this special offer. There's also more information at shelfgenie.com/Seattle Refined.